Replacing the auger belt. This repair should not be done at home unless you are unable to have it serviced locally. Before attempting this repair, contact our customer experience team to verify there is no authorized service center in your area. Instructions in this video must be followed precisely to avoid accidental injury or damage to the product. This repair takes approximately 1 hour to complete. Warning: this is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Customers are encouraged to wear safety gloves when performing any maintenance. Tools required. You will need a 5mm Allen key, a 4mm Allen key, a ratchet wrench, a 10-inch extension bar, a 15mm socket, a 13mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Let's get started. Always remove the batteries before doing any maintenance. Pull the locking pin and detach the cable from the chute control rod. Unscrew the 2 hex screws using the 5mm Allen key provided, and remove the chute control rod and brackets. Unhook the cable. Loosen the knob and remove the bolt on the discharge chute support. Lift the discharge chute from its support and place it nearby, being careful not to put tension on the cable. Remove the 3 screws holding the belt cover in place using a 4mm Allen key. Be aware that each screw has a washer, however these will typically stay embedded in the plastic. Remove the belt cover. Next, you'll need to separate the auger housing from the rest of the unit. For this step, we recommend a second person brace the handles. The unit is held together with 4 large bolts. Loosen and remove the bolts and washers using a ratchet, extension bar, and 15mm socket. You will begin to feel the unit separating. Brace the front end as you remove the last bolt. There are electrical wires connecting the 2 sides of the unit. Before separating the unit, gently pull any slack from the housing. The cables have been fully extended once the black wiring harness is exposed. With one person holding the auger housing and the other holding the handles, gently pull the 2 sides apart, being careful not to put too much tension on the wires. With the auger housing still supported, set the handle side down. Disconnect the wires. Be advised, some of the connections look similar. Consider taping and numbering the corresponding wires to ensure they will be reconnected correctly when reassembling the unit. A small flathead screwdriver can be used to release the tabs on the wire connections. Rotate the auger housing forwards so the belt side faces up and is easily accessible. Remove the old belt. Release the wheel tensioning spring by removing the bolt and washer holding it in place. You will need a ratchet and 13mm socket. Using a screwdriver, release the ratchet tensioning spring. Install the new belt on the auger pulley. Be advised, working the new belt onto the pulley requires a significant amount of force. Return the washer to its position and insert the bolt. Use a screwdriver to lever the tension springs back into position, being careful not to damage the new belt. Tighten the bolt. With help from a second person, bring the two sides together and line up the screw holes. Be careful not to pinch any wires. Reinsert and tighten the 4 bolts. Reconnect the wires and feed the slack back into the housing. Reinstall the belt cover, discharge chute, and control rod. Insert the batteries, turn the unit on, and run the auger to ensure it works properly. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.